Welcome to Today in Psychology. In our series, The ABCs of Psychology, we're breaking down the different methods and studies in the field of psychology one letter at a time. Today, we're focusing on the letter J, for journaling for mental health treatment. We understand that mental health is a crucial aspect of our overall well-being, and journaling has been shown to be an effective tool in addressing mental health issues. Our video delves into the different ways in which journaling can be used as a treatment method, and the studies that have been done on its effectiveness. Journaling is a simple and accessible way to process thoughts and emotions, and can be used to address a wide range of mental health concerns such as anxiety, depression, and stress. In this video, we discuss the different types of journaling, including journaling for mental health, journaling tips for students, and a case study in journaling for mental health. If you're new to journaling, or are looking for ways to enhance your existing practice, our video is a great place to start. We also encourage you to check out our previous videos in the series by clicking the link in the description or in the cards above. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health, and journaling is an easy and effective way to do just that. If you are ready, let's dive right in. Journaling for mental health. Journaling can be a powerful tool for addressing mental health concerns. By writing down thoughts and emotions, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of themselves and their experiences. This can be beneficial in addressing a wide range of mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, and stress. Additionally, different types of journaling can be used to target specific issues, such as gratitude journaling to increase positive emotions, or problem-solving journaling to find solutions. Regular journaling practice has been shown to improve overall well-being. It is a simple and accessible way for individuals to take an active role in their mental health and self-care. Journaling tips for students. When it comes to journaling for mental health, there are a few tips that you can give to your clients to help them make the most out of their journaling practices. Firstly, encourage them to set aside time each day to journal, even if it's just a few minutes. This will help to make journaling a habit and a regular part of their routine. Suggest that they have a dedicated journal or notebook for this purpose, so their thoughts and emotions are all in one place. Another tip is to remind them to be as honest and open as possible when writing in their journal. Remind them. No one will see it but them. Encourage them not to hold back or censor themselves, as this can prevent them from getting the full benefits of journaling. Additionally, suggest that they focus on one specific topic or theme for each journal entry, such as writing about a difficult experience or listing things they are grateful for. It's also a good idea to remind them that journaling is a personal practice, and what works for one person may not work for another. Encourage them to experiment with different journaling techniques and find what works best for them. A case study in journaling for mental health. John, a 30-year-old man who has been struggling with symptoms of anxiety and depression for quite some time. He has been in therapy for a while, but has not seen much improvement in his condition. His therapist suggested that he starts a journaling practice as a way to supplement his therapy sessions. At first, John was skeptical about the idea of journaling. He wasn't sure if it would be helpful, or if he would even know what to write about. But his therapist assured him that journaling can be an effective tool for gaining insight into one's thoughts and emotions. John began by setting aside 15 minutes each day to write in his journal. He started by writing about his feelings and any specific events or situations that caused him stress or anxiety. As he continued to write, he began to notice patterns in his thoughts and emotions. He realized that he often worried about the future and had a tendency to ruminate on negative thoughts. By writing about these thoughts and feelings, he gained a better understanding of his anxiety and depression. John also tried different types of journaling, such as gratitude journaling and problem-solving journaling. He found that listing things he was grateful for each day helped to shift his focus from negative thoughts to positive ones, and problem-solving journaling helped him come up with solutions to the problems he was facing. Through his journaling practice, John was able to gain insight into his thoughts and emotions, and started to make positive changes in his life. He started to feel more in control of his anxiety and depression and saw progress in his therapy sessions. It's important to note that journaling is a personalized process, and not everyone will have the same experience as John. But it can be a helpful tool for gaining insight and making positive changes in one's mental health. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on the letter J for journaling for mental health treatment. We hope that you found it informative and helpful. We've discussed the many benefits of journaling for mental health, and how different types of journaling can be used to address specific concerns. Journaling can be a powerful tool for gaining insight into our thoughts and emotions, and for making positive changes in our lives. Remember, journaling is a personal practice, and what works for one person may not work for another. We encourage you to experiment with different journaling techniques and find what works best for you. And don't forget to check out our previous videos in the series by clicking the link in the description or in the cards above. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on our latest videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and let us know in the comments what letter you'd like to see us explore next in the ABCs of Psychology series. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of your mental health. It's just as important as taking care of your physical health.